Yeah, hello everybody. So today I made my yearly check of the battery. Um, Here you can see the results. The battery was running 1 year, more than 1 year, because I start in August 2019. Today we have 28th of December. So what you can see, these are the battery values from every pack, and I marked the highest one and the lowest one, and you can see we have a deviation between all the specs from 39 millivolt. If you follow my videos about this solar system, then you are aware that I not use any BMS. I have only this small board, what is a battery balancer. I had a BMS before, but the BMS stopped to work after 3 months, and so I take the BMS out and I just put this balancing board inside. During this 3 months where the BMS was working, I never had any misbalancing that was more than 50 millivolts. So it seems to be that this pack is quite stable, and to be honest, I made a lot of effort. Before I mounting this battery, I check every battery cell with a battery capacity tester, and I noted to every cell, you can see there's a sticker on it, every cell have a number, every cell was measured the DC current, every cell was measured in the capacity, and a voltage drop test was done on these batteries. So there are, I would say, plus minus 2% in all values, all are the same. So, and this seems to contribute to a balanced battery pack also. After 1 year, whopping 39 millivolt difference in all the cells, never balanced. Also I never saw that this board is working, and I pass this board nearly every day. So I can say you can stay without a BMS, but I will not say you should do this. To be honest, there can be situations on the battery where the BMS will alert you and cut it out, but in my case this is not there. I have overcharge protection, and I have cut out when the battery voltage is too low. But should something happen with the battery pack itself, I have only the fuses on the battery cells. The fuses are only 30% from the capacity of the battery cell, the C capacity of the battery cell. So I believe it's quite safe in case there should something happen that the fuse will cut off first. However, it is not recommended to follow this style here, even if it works, because in case of a malfunction from a cell, it is not sure what will happen. Here you can see my monitoring system. All my inverter running on this software is called Inverter Control Center. So here's all the inverters, and you can see how many watt they produce in the moment. You can see if they are charging, the charging amps. But in the moment, it's in the afternoon, my battery is full, so no charging is needed. This year I produce 25,131 kilowatt hour with my system. Everything go to the battery. I not feed anything to the grid, because this system is an off-grid system. And I have installed 91 panels with a capacity of 30 kV. But in our region you will not get out to 30 kV, so you will get out maximum what I ever saw was around 24 kV. And I want to show you the battery data. Now you see the battery is full. Last discharge is not happened. The average discharge is 750 amps, so I use 50% of the battery. And here's the interesting thing, and this is normally I want to show you this. Now I have 205 cycles. I start with this battery 15 months ago. So, and this is 450 days, something like that. And I have 205 cycles. So we could say every second day a cycle. So here's the curve from the battery. 50% discharge, they should last around 3000, let's say 3200 cycles. 3200 cycles. This battery will last 3200 cycles, and this meaning 6400, roughly, 6400 days. And when we then thinking that we have 365 days the year, then this battery should have a lifetime of 17 years. That's a nice number, 17 years of lifetime. I hear many people that say, oh, in 5 years it should be finished. Also, if the values are correct from the manufacturer, then this battery will stay around 17 years, except that I use it in the same way, not more than 50%. Hopefully. You can subscribe. I will make every year one of these videos, or you're just coming next year again to my channel and take a look how are the values for the next year. I will reset every year, the end of the year, this screen. The battery data should stay here, so we can see how it will improve or change over the year. I hope that you like this video. If you are interested to see more, and if you are like to follow and to know how the battery perform next year, then please subscribe. And thank you for watching.